During difficult times, it is only natural to lose sight of the bigger picture and yearn for the restoration of faith, a fresh perspective, and inner peace. Now, find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension or worries you may be holding on to. Allow your body and mind to relax as you settle into a state of calm. Now visualize yourself in a peaceful setting, standing in an open space beneath a cloudy sky. Observe the clouds as they move slowly overhead. These clouds represent the challenges and preoccupation that currently weigh on your mind. Acknowledge the emotions that arise, but remember that they do not define you. Now, repeat the following affirmations, silently or out loud, allowing their words to resonate within you. I have the inner strength to face any challenge with courage and grace. Imagine a wellspring of strength within you, radiating a warm and gentle light. Feel this strength empowering you, giving you the courage and grace to navigate any difficulty that comes your way. Trust in your resilience and know that you possess the power to overcome. I believe in myself and my ability to navigate through difficult times. Inhale deeply, drawing in a renewed sense of self-belief. Know that you possess the strength, resilience, and wisdom to overcome any challenge that comes your way. Believe in your own inner power and your ability to navigate through difficult times with determination. I release all worries and doubts, embracing a sense of peace and serenity. As you take a deep breath, imagine exhaling all your worries and doubts, allowing them to dissolve into the air. Witness these concerns drifting away like witless clouds. leaving behind a sense of spaciousness and calm. Embrace the tranquility that permeates your entire being, bringing peace and serenity to your mind, body, and soul. I trust in the process of life, knowing that everything unfolds as it should. Feel the weight of these words in your heart. Trust that there is a greater plan at work, guiding you through the ups and downs of life. Embrace the knowledge that even in the darkest moments, there is a purpose and a path for you. I have everything I need to face this moment. In this very moment, you possess all that is necessary to confront and overcome any challenges that arise. Like a wellspring of strength and resilience, you are fully equipped with the tools, wisdom, and resources needed to navigate through this experience. Deep within you lies an unwavering confidence, ready to guide you with grace and determination. Embrace the certainty that you have everything you need to face this moment with courage and resolve. As you feel these affirmations vibrate inside you, visualize the dark clouds above you slowly parting, allowing rays of warm sunlight to break through. Feel the gentle touch of the sun's rays upon your skin, allowing the essence of these affirmations to resonate deeply within you. Take a few moments to bask in the healing light of the sun, absorbing its positive energy. Allow its warmth to wash away any lingering doubts or fears, replacing them with renewed hope and optimism. Everything is okay. Now, as you slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment, take a deep breath, feeling a renewed sense of peace and faith within you. Open your eyes, carrying this newfound perspective and lightness of heart with you as you step forward into the world.